I'm Teresa Skubik, and this is a Forum Daily Update. For ranchers in the Pacific Northwest, gray wolves that creep through dense forests to attack livestock is a costly reality. To address this, the U.S. Department of Agriculture is testing drones in Oregon to deter wolves without harming the endangered predators. By blasting sounds like gunshots, heavy metal music, and even a heated scene from the 2019 Oscar-winning film Marriage Story in order to scare wolves away. We sat down with Paul Wolf from the USDA to discuss how wolves respond to these drone sounds and which audio clips prove most effective at protecting livestock.
This whole idea started back in 2022, where we were conducting night work, where we technically call it night watch, where staff are out there. We added the drones, and our first experience with using drones, the wolves were play bowing. And so just by chance, it didn't work. The pilot at that time flew back, switched out the battery. He took a speaker and yelled at the wolf and said, "Hey, wolf, get out of here." The wolf elicited a very positive negative response and ran back into the woods.
Join me on weekdays for more news on Forum Daily.